A viewer is asking us about a message they saw on Facebook. It claims if you are suffering a heart attack and you're alone, you should breathe deeply and cough every 2 seconds. Sounds strange, and we found out this claim has been posted repeatedly in recent days. So our fact checkers went to work. We went to the American Heart Association to get answers, and believe it or not, the science behind this is somewhat true, but we should point out only in isolated cases when people realize they are about to lose consciousness, know how to cough to prevent fainting. The American Heart Association does not recommend this procedure, and they do not recommend teaching it. They say it is just too dangerous. So while we can verify the science, the actual science behind what's called cough CPR is real, the Heart Association says it is not an effective way to treat a heart attack. It is always better to call 911. Also, not a good idea getting medical advice on Facebook. Is there something you want a Verify team to check out? Send an email to verify@khou.com or contact them on our Facebook page or on Twitter, the hashtag KHOU Verify.